Hello everyone, this is Vivek from Recruiterflow. In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable call forwarding inside Twilio. Once you've logged inside Twilio, you'll have to head over to the Studio tab here and click on Flows. And then click on Create New Flow. We'll have to give it a name. You can give it any name you wish to. Then click on Next. And then choose Call Forwarding. And then click on Next here. Once you do that, this basically will let you forward all the calls that comes on your Twilio number to your desk number or your personal number. So this is how the flow looks like. Make sure you just click on the forward call box here, and on the right hand side you will see this information. Make sure you type in the number that you want your calls to be forwarded to. Make sure you include the country code as well. So this is how the format should look like. Once you've entered the number, make sure you click on save and then click on publish here. Once you do that, we'll have to go back to phone number section here and then click on active numbers. Then click on the number that you've bought already. And then scroll down to the voice and fax section here. And then choose the a call comes in as Studio Flow. And you'll have to select the flow here and then click on save. So that's how you enable call forwarding inside Twilio. I hope this video helped. Thank you.